Hello YouTube, just sitting here on a Sunday afternoon and my son asked me,
Dad, can you microwave cookie dough?
and I realized, I really don't know the answer, so we're going to microwave some and see what happens. Okay, cookie dough's in the microwave. Let's try 1 minute. No change yet. I doubt this is going to look like a nice oven-baked cookie. It's going to probably be a ball of mush. I don't know. It's melting. Maybe. It's getting bigger. We're at 25 seconds left.
I bet it's going to explode. Then we'll have a piece for everybody.
If this works, we'll microwave more.
Alright, that's enough, that's enough.
What's full minute?
Oh, it's smoking.
Oh, that stinks. Ugh. Okay, so.
Not do it for a minute.
Starting to burn. I don't know. No way that's as good as the oven, but kind of made a cookie. Let me taste a bit of it. Yeah, no. No, it ain't the same. It's a waste. Well, there you have it. Use the oven, YouTube. Thanks for watching.